Thanks for taking the time to talk to me, Patrick.
Thank you.
So how did you first hear about me?
I was referred to your services by my doctor down the hall, Dr. Kizik.
Okay.
She's been a family physician for some time, and when I had injured my shoulder last August, I didn't realize I had caused any real pain, problems with my arm, but went through my route of waiting for it to cure, and wasn't going in, wasn't going, so I spoke to Dr. Kizik about it, and then she suggested maybe I might try some acupuncture, so she referred me to your services. And subject to that, well, since that time, in our discussions, you recommended I look at a different approach because the shoulder had gone into a frozen stage. And we decided to go on to the shockwave therapy, which I had never heard of before, and acupuncture was actually ruled out because of the difference of the severity of the strain and so forth. And so we commenced with the sessions. As of today, we just completed our 5th session. And I would say my range of motion from my right arm where the injury was has improved from what I think would be around 30% capability to approximately 75 to 80% now. It's radically improved.
Good.
Yeah. It's a very, very nice process. It's painless to the point that if you can absorb some of the shock wave, the pain, it's nothing that's unreal. At least not in my case, it hasn't been unreal. So I find it's been a very, very helpful process. I'm amazed that I put up with 5 months of pain. I started this session with you, and I'm feeling very, very good about it. I'm glad it's referred down. I've heard comments from other clientele since I've met them here at your shop, and I've heard nothing but good reports. So I'm quite willing to tell you that in my testimonial today that I think I'm glad I came in, and we're going to continue working. And yeah, I'm very, very pleased with the shockwave treatment. Is something I hadn't heard of. And my daughter, being a nurse, she's having some neck problems. I already talked to her about that, and she said she hadn't heard of it, but now she's found it in sessions in Red Deer.
Great.
So it's getting to be known, and I'm glad I found out about it. So.
Well, thanks for that. I guess I don't really have many questions to ask you. You pointed out that you suffered through 5 or 6 months there trying to
I did, yeah.
get it to go away on its own, and then and now I think today you were just mentioning you wished you hadn't waited so long.
That's true. Like well, you get to be my age, you think we think we're invulnerable and it'll heal on its own and go away. And I waited it. I'm kind of a stubborn Irishman, but I'm glad my pain threshold said enough's enough and get it done.
And so you're looking forward to golfing this summer?
Yes, I am. Very, very, very soon.
And prior to doing the sessions, you were thinking that golf probably was not going to be on the menu for the summer.
That's right. I had actually looking at maybe having to take a year off or longer, or maybe that's the end of my golfing, because, of course, in golfing, your emotions, your arms, and everything else is very part of your game. And I just felt that I'm not going to be able to do this if I can't get this rectified. And right now, I'm looking confident to going out the next couple of weeks.
Right, after only 5 sessions, you're ready to get out there and get working on it. And
the nice thing about this, now that I'm on your clientele list and I've had the treatments, you made me comfortable to know that I can come back anytime something creeps back in again, just make a call, and I can come back and get some touch-up sessions if it's necessary. So
yeah,
I appreciate that portion of it, that you're not just coming in and coming in and coming in. If I feel to the point that I need the service, I can call, and that's what I like.
Sounds great. Thanks.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks a lot.